Well, that's day 4. It tickles my fancy. I don't know about you. Yeah, so I learned a bit more about the pens tonight too, because I haven't used these Posca pens before. I only bought them the other day. I used one at a friend's place about a week ago and thought, oh, that's fun. I drew on her window and on her mirror. And yeah, so they need kind of charging up every now and then, so shaking them and then pushing them down onto my journal page, getting a bit of a line going again. Otherwise they tend to grey out. But also I'm writing sideways, which I suppose a lot of people do write sideways instead of up and down with these pens, because a lot of people use them for advertising, and I know our local cafe uses them to write all the different names of all the sweets on the Bain Marie window. But I was thinking about some of the other cartoons that I'd like to draw. So I started to give myself a little bit more of a process that I'd like to explore, which is a little bit more serious. So we'll just see. I might change my mind. I won't say anything yet, but this is the Inktober drawing for the 4th of October 2016, and I was really tired. Now I'm not. I was just like, oh, I've got to go to bed. I didn't go to sleep till after 12 last night after doing this, and then I rewatched the thing and the video and had a little bit of a think about what I'd like to do for tonight's one, and drew up tonight's one, and then, well, you know, I was having a party, and that's what I find with some of my creative processes is I feel like I get very stimulated, if not overstimulated, by the process. But it's better than taking pills, and it's a one-person party. So I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Oh, I didn't tell you what this said. It says, Betty and Lucy loved the free range. Betty's saying to Lucy, I'll race you to the trees and back. Poor old Lucy's got a bit of a problem with her neck, hasn't she? I thought I'd just share with you that this one here that I did tonight actually came from that one there. So when I looked at this one from a distance last night, I saw 2 shapes down the front. These 2 shapes, which look like the shapes of chooks. And I saw that, and it looked like a fence post from a distance. And then these figures here, they just look like trees. So this is what I ended up drawing, influenced by that, without my glasses on. So this is another way that you can get ideas. I've found that it's quite a bonus in a lot of ways not to be able to see properly without glasses, because it blurs things, and I use that process for seeing things that aren't apparent with clear sight. It's almost like shamanic work, where I kind of look beyond the physical, and when I use it with my art, I can look at my work or somebody else's, and from a distance I can see completely different images than what's really there. So it's kind of like a bonus. There you go. That's day 4. Bye.